Hey, when I last time buy local data from a flow or from Digicel, cause I want to make a little video here, kinda shedding some light on what it actually means when you borrow credit from Flow or Digicel. Not just in the context of, I'm using this to maybe help with a situation. Maybe you don't have credit at the time, I need to make a call. I just want to put on some data because you need to get something done. Um, I want to make it clear what you're actually doing because what this actually is a loan you're taking out against your how would I put this? All right, you're taking out a loan, so the credit amount that you're looking to borrow is the principal, and the interest would be the amount that they're going to ask you to repay. So the amount varies by island, but as of right now, today is the 19th. Let me try to pull this up on my phone and give you some like figures of what it typically looks like, right? So it's loading. Okay, so the starting point, you see here where it says $200, $400, 800, and 1,000 and 1,400. So it's kind of gone up a bit since that. So the starting point now is $320, and the loan fee would be $23. The second option is $740, and the fee would be $76. The third option is 1,040, and the fee amount would be $104. The fourth amount is $1,900, and you get uh, $200 that you have to repay, and then the last one is $3,650, and you have to pay back $320. So the pricing, if you notice, is kind of specific. They're actually kind of tied or very close to where the packages are for their data bundles. So typically, a lot of people will want to put on Wi-Fi or the data on the phone. It The amount that they're gonna be borrowing is gonna pretty much be you're gonna use that to put on a plan. So typically, right? Most people are not gonna make a call with that. They're gonna pretty much want to put on a plan, then they can make calls and also browse, right? So I'm just saying this to say that whether you're a child with a phone, teenager, adult, well, young adult, or a senior citizen, or that middle age, there, when you use a flow loan or digital, well, flow lend, as they call it, or a digital loan, it's something that you're gonna be paying back. And the thing about it too, there are also penalties attached to it. So let's say they're gonna tell you like they're gonna give you like certain incentives for paying back quicker. They may give you like a bonus amount because I've seen that in my like text messages before where they like tell you if you pay back at a certain time you're gonna get that like a bonus like maybe a gig or two on data, or they're gonna give you like I don't know some it's gonna be a lower amount. All right, let me kind of tie it in with the data because um, let's say you were to put on, you wanted, let's say you borrowed, what, let's say 720, I think, let's say you borrowed 740 and you're going to pay back $76. It would be a case where, since that is going to be for your 7 day plan, they're going to give you an option where, on the bundle side, where if you pay back or if you put on a bundle before the time expires, you're going to get it at a cheaper rate typically. So what that means is you're going to be incentivized to pay back the balance, and then you know that's also going to give you like more options. So let's say you just unlocked that 740 tier, because they have multiple tiers here based on how much you qualify for. So first you're gonna let's say 320, then you're gonna go up to the next 700. The phone closed out, so let me just pull this back up. Right. So the 320, 740, then 1,400, 40, then 1,009, then 3,650, $3,650. So depending on what you qualify for, so the more you use the loan, so let's say the bottom tier 320, you should pay back $23 for. Let's say they give you 5 times that you would basically have to pay that back first, and then let's say you pay that back on time and in full before the let's say the deadline. You do then move up at here. Let me can see from this here. The typical gold, silver, bronze, and in the menu that you access it, so you go through star 135, star 135 number sign, and then you press 6. You can see your points. So they actually have a point system based on your repayment and how good you are at fulfilling your end of the obligation. So it's pretty much a contract you're entering with your phone company, whether that's Flow or Digital, and that contract hinges, or your benefits hinge on your ability to pay it back on time and in full. So in that case, we have to pay back everything at one time. I think there's even a part here where I can actually, alright, how payback. Alright, so how kind of Flow prepaid subscriber pay back a Flow loan. Alright, so Flow prepaid subscriber may pay back a full loan through recharge purchase, through a voucher, direct top up, sorry, and online top up, international top up, or credit transfer. The recharge value will be applied towards the loan value. So that's a principal. And promotional balance will not be used to repay the loan. So that means, alright, sometimes sometimes this is more with Flow than Digital. Digital may have similar stuff to this too, but Flow will give you different promotions from time to time through message that you can opt into. So let's say they're having a 5-day discount and they say some uh, bonuses added to that. You pay. Let's say you pay. Let's say let's say your loan amount is more than what the promotion is. You will, if you put on the credit, you will get access to the rewards that's under that specific promotion, but the bonus will not go towards your balance. See, that makes sense. Or maybe I'm just over explaining, but yeah. All right. So if you have an overdue balance now, if a prepaid subscriber has an overdue loan balance and participate in a promotion, how is the flow loan treated? All right. So in the event a recharge is performed by the prepaid customer, it is and is subject to giving promotion. The promotional balance will first be used to repay an outstanding loan. So what this means is anything that you put on your thing, even if it does qualify you for the promotion they're running at the time while you have your loan, so that'll be a separate thing, But it once you hit the target that says that you qualify for the promotion that they're running currently. So let's say I'm doing a promotion right now and you pay me the amount that covers my criteria for you to qualify for the promotion. The balance is still gonna go towards paying for the principal on your loan. Yeah, all right. So the payback period now. So typically it's 7 days. All right. So all right. So typically it's 30 days to repay, but it says that the subscriber will be prompted to pay back all loans within 7 days to receive points, but ultimately will have 30 days to repay the loan. And you can also pay it off by transfer. So I do have a couple of videos on how to do all the different stuff, but I may make some new ones, because why not? But it's, yeah. So this is the first loan product a lot of Jamaicans and a lot of Caribbean nationals do interact with, and you don't even realize that it's actually you participating in a loan situation, and you pretty much qualify for more based on your ability to repay. So it's not even just similar to other loan situations. It's just that the qualifying metrics are a bit different. And yeah, so that's the video. Hopefully this wasn't too confusing. Pretty much just saying that loans, you're using loans, and my son's crying. So well, my daughter's crying. All right, let me get out the. So yeah, that's the video. Later. All right.